to another tutorial video. We're going to talk about inputting your grades from Canvas to Synergy. So the first step is to go to the Gradebook and then click New to make a new assignment. You are going to name that assignment Summary Judgements. In the description, go ahead and put something to the effect of finding the details about their assignments in Canvas. Everything we do should point parents and students back to Canvas. So this is just a short message saying, for more details, see Canvas. Next, your assignment type should either be academic evidence or summative, and your score type should be MYP rubric. Next, in standards, go ahead and pick all of the standards, criterion A, B, C, and D, as well as your behavior standards if you would like. And if you have sections where your standards are the same, you may pick all of those standards or all of those classes at the exact same time. Double check that all of your work is in correctly and click Save Assignment. If your gradebook is in Standards view, you will then see all of the standards listed appropriately. That is how you change to a Standards gradebook. Just click Standards, and then you are set up. To enter the scores, you can click the arrow to the side of the standards, and you will see that Summary Judgment assignment. You can then enter a score for that criterion or that standard, whether that is the behavioral standards and CI, R, or G, or it is the 1 through 8 score of our MYP standards. When you are done, you click Save Changes, or you can undo. Alternatively, you can open up one of the strands, click the assignment, and click Enter Scores. By clicking the arrow next to Summary Judgments, you will see the standards-based view, and you can enter all of the scores for all students here. But pay attention that sometimes your criterion are switched, so don't just enter blank without paying attention. When you're done, you push Save Changes and go on from there. For those opting to use the Gradebook Plus, the new look of Synergy, we do the same thing. We make an assignment. We give that assignment a title. And we choose either summative assessment or academic evidence. And we set our scoring to MYP rubric. Then we put in our student content that same description about how they should look in Canvas for detailed scores and more specific information about assignments that have led to the score they have received as their summary judgment. Next, by clicking on the Standards tab, we can choose the standards. Click the drop-down menu and choose your MYP standards. You can also pick your behavioral targets and standards in the same time. And now you can click the Unsaved Changes prompt, and that will save your changes. And then you can close out of the assignment. And now to view standards, we click on the word Standards, and then View by Standard. To input grades, you just click on the Summary Judgment column, which is the name of our assignment, and you can enter scores right into that column. If you click Tab, it will go over to the next score. Just be careful that you are not overriding your standard scores. You are putting it in the Summary Judgment assignment. As before, click the Unsaved Changes flag to finish. You can also click on the assignment and go into Scores, and this is where you can see the standards-based view, where you can also enter the scores from here. This allows you to just type in the scores that you would like to give, and then once again, when you are finished, you can click the Unsaved Changes icon to save your changes.